Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. So this is our 5th day. I woke up, talked to Preston on the phone, tried to convince him to come over here, but he's still not up for travel. And look what I have in the bathroom. Got a little butterfly. He's just hanging out. I don't know how I got here. Maybe we'll have the door open. But yeah, I'm gonna start getting ready for breakfast. We have a few things today. Today's kind of cloudy, so maybe it's a good time to take kayak and go for a little ride. So maybe that's what we'll do today. But for now, yeah, time to wash off. We had breakfast. I didn't show you breakfast because it's getting a little repetitive. But now we're at the pool. We were planning to rent a kayak, but with all the clouds in the morning, but now it got so hot and sunny, so we decided to just get in the pool. And then I have like a trial diving class at noon, so this is what we're gonna be doing. Sorry guys, I don't feel very well with this whole GoPro camera, but yeah, so we're just gonna hang out by the pool, and then we're going to do like a dive trial in an hour and a half. So it's never a beautiful day in paradise.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
So now we can hear we're gonna do a little diving trial. We'll see if I'm talented in this at all. Thank you. This looks very heavy. It's not heavy?
You will not really feel the waves in the water.
In the water? Okay. Sounds good.
Yeah. You will be like one arm below the water.
Got it.
Yeah, like half 1 meter
Okay.
below the water. So let you try to breathe, and how is it like to breathe underwater? So
Mhm.
basically you are half 1 meters under the water.
Got it.
Okay?
Okay.
When we go for a real dive, then we can go a little bit deeper.
Got it.
Okay?
Okay.
Good.
I'm so excited and so scared at the same time. We'll see how it turns out.
we were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so every night I dream
instructor. Okay, so now the rain started. Now that we got out, we're coming back from lunch and look what they set up. They set up the little hammock. I don't know how secure it is on this palm tree, but it looks super cute, so I'm gonna try that. Woohoo! It's so pretty with the sunshine glistening over the water and with this rain clouds. So pretty. Good morning, guys. How are you today? So this is a new day. I don't know the way I'm going to edit this vlog. I might just edit like activities back to back, because most of the time we're just lounging or snorkeling, doing very repetitive things. But right now we are going to have breakfast, and after that at 9 o'clock we're meeting with a tour guide, with a tour guide, and then we're going to head to the sea to check out the turtle spot. We're going to do snorkeling with the turtles. I don't know how lucky we're gonna be because it's pretty rainy today. I don't know if it's affecting this tour at all, but yeah, we just got out. It's raining, and it's actually, I don't mind, because the past few days were super sunny, and it's kind of very hard to move around when it's super sunny, because it's like burning your skin. That's how hot it is, and humid and stuff. So yeah, let's begin this day.
So we're gonna snorkel on the top and just on the edge of the reef.
we're doing kayaking because there's no wind and the weather is nice for it, so we decided to go for it. We need to lose like a few extra pounds anyway after this dining experience, which is not very nice. But the water looks so calm. Look. And it looks kind of dark on camera, but it's not as dark. I think right now. So we have a kayak over there. Look, they have like a really cool like water sports location. It's this little bungalow, and they have this swings. Well, that's just like a cute little touch. Got a kayak. We'll see how far we'll go on it. It looks like it might be raining over there. But we're doing this. Well, my mom was doing this now. I'm next in line. Alright, so we did it. We went around the island, and now we're trying to come back to this water sports because it looks like it might start raining again. Not just raining, but actually pouring. So yeah, but we're almost done. It was nice. It was a little stressful because we saw the rain coming, and then we were still on the other side of the island, but we'll see. I think it should be nice. It's raining. We came back just in time. But look how beautiful. It's still a turquoise water even in the rain like this. But we came back just in time, guys. This was awesome. A little bit stressful, but I love it. I was a little stressed out. I wanted to get back in time before storm, which we did. But to accomplish this, I sped up like a full force. So it was not very relaxing. There's some big sharks over there. There's a baby big sharks. Две их там. Да. Что? Да хотят посмотреть. Those are two nurse sharks. But look at that. I'm gonna take a bath right here. And look how romantic it is with the rain. I don't know. I hope it's going to be as awesome as I think it's going to be. But yeah, in my brain it's supposed to look super relaxing. With the bathtub and the rain. Awesome. Awesome blossom. Can't wait. And it's super hot and relaxing. My favorite part of the day, along with all our parts. So this is our last evening at Kagi Maldives. It was a bittersweet, sweet because we're going to see, kiddos very soon. Bitter because it was a nice vacation. Hopefully I'll get to come here with Preston next time. We'll see. But yeah, they just threw like a awesome goodbye dinner for me and my mom. It was awesome with the lobster and surf and turf. It was awesome. And now we just came back to the room, and this is what we saw here. We saw this. It says good night. The logo of Kagi Maldives. See you soon. With all the flowers on the pillow. Aww. We also got a little bit of a chocolate. Well, they also they bring chocolate here every night. Chocolate or some kind of little appetizer or some kind of little dessert platter. So it's very sweet. So yeah, this is just so beautiful. And we will definitely be back one day.